Should I apologize to my ex again? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment and I'm your relationship expert. In this video, I want to help you to understand if you should apologize to your ex again or not. The problem is, if you want to get back with the one you love, it's not about apologizing to him or to her. You can tell them everything that you want to say. You can say, I'm so sorry, I will never do this mistake again. The problem is you hurt them. And you can apologize every time that you want. It will not change your situation. Now, I understand that you feel frustrated about this situation and you want to make sure that you want to be in your right position. You want to make sure that your ex can forgive you. So today, my biggest tip, it's really easy. If you want to apologize to your ex again, it will be really important to do it and to never come back on the past after. So what does it mean exactly? I don't want you to talk about your relationship, about your mistakes. If you apologize today to your ex, it's one time and then we never talk about the past anymore. The best way to do it, and you know it because you're watching our videos, it's to do a letter. Why? Because most of the time we want to apologize face to face, but the problem is our memory is limited. Your ex will remember 7 to 10% of everything that you have said so far. The same way, we want to send some text message, but text message doesn't give a value to this communication. So if you really want to apologize to your ex, I think the best way to do it is to write a letter. Because we will not just apologize, we will also show that you have changed. We will use this letter and show every action that you have done to make sure that you will never do this mistake again. It's really important to understand. People who got back with their ex, it's never because they apologize. It's because they have changed. Their ex can feel that the relationship will never be the same. Their ex can feel that they will build the confidence and the trust. And this is why I'm doing all of these videos. I know I have a strong French accent, but I've coached more than 30,000 people since 2007. And this is why I'm also the co-founder of With My Ex Again, because we are working every single day to understand what is really powerful when you want to get back with the one you love. If you need some help, book a private coaching session. You will see that in just 1 hour, together, we can get back with the one you love. It will be easy. We will apologize. We will make sure that you will never be that person anymore. And also, we'll make sure that your ex will give you his or her trust. This is where we can have results. Because most of the time, we want to apologize, and then nothing happened. Because we are still on the past, still showing that we feel guilty, and our ex will just feel the resentment. The more we apologize, the more the resentment will be here, which is not good for us. Did you understand? If you have any question, feel free to leave me a comment just right below, and I will be here to answer every single question. Give me a like and subscribe to Love Advice TV. Every single day you will receive a video to change your life, to be able to understand what happened and what should you do to get back with the one you love. Apologizing, it's a really powerful action, but you have to be careful. You have to choose every word, every actions. And this is why I encourage you to book a private coaching session. Because if we do it in the right way, it will help you. If not, it can kill your process of getting back together. It can kill the love between you and your ex. So be careful, guys. Be careful. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye-bye, guys.